Hello everyone, I've received a package from MoYu and this is what I believe to be the MoYu Smart 2x2. Okay, so this is the cube. I'm gonna open it now. No plastic, that's interesting. Okay, this charger is with USB-C, that's nice. The cube's not bad. So I guess it just fits. What the hell? It jiggles. Wait. You just... Okay. And then in here... Are you serious, bro? There's like a thing with nothing in it. There you have... Oh! Like this stop it from jiggle. Oh, okay. So I need this as well. Good to know. I guess let's get straight into connecting it. I actually already downloaded the app, so... Okay. Let me just turn on Bluetooth. Oh! Okay, it's actually quite nice. I guess I'm gonna get straight to timing. Speed cubing, time trial. Okay, so I think this is how you can use it. Okay, let's see what I get here. That was so bad, but 126. Okay. 0.89. Okay, I'm a bit concerned about the scrambling on this. Bro, 0.54. Oh god, I haven't practiced this event in like so long.